V hit the mini helicopter. As you can tell, we had a little mini accident. I'll be careful about getting the one that I got. It's a micro chopper one. I would go with the micro gear one. But the tape still works pretty good. So this is the controller. 3-channel, left and right trim just in case you spin too much. And the charging station is built in. So here we go, we're going to kick off. And kick off. Whoop. Let's kick off one more time. And here we go. One more time. Why don't we have Jen hold her hand up, and I'll take off from her hand. Okay, here we go. There we go. The battery life, I would say about a good half an hour without having too much of an issue. And we're fine. I'm still trying to get the trim working right. I'm at the end. And there goes the cat after it. So, that's it. I'm going to have to work on the charge. Hopefully the fin isn't too bad, but let me know if you got yours. And there's a picture of my beautiful baby. Right there.
Hi, V. Hi. Yeah. You want to smile? Smile. Not today.